Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and on today's video we're going to look on how to use ChatGPT with Google Docs. First, search Google Docs on your web browser. Open Google Docs and sign in to your Docs account. Once you sign in, create a blank document. Go to Extensions, click on Add-ons, click on Get Add-ons, and search ChatGPT on the search box. Look for GPT for Google Sheets and Docs by Talarian. That's what we are going to download. Just make sure it's by Talarian. Click on Install. Once you're done installing, click on Done. You can close this tab. You can open extensions again, and now you can see GPT for Sheets right there. Click on Set API Keys. Open a new window and search OpenAI. Click on OpenAI. Log into your OpenAI account and click on API. On the left hand side, click on API Keys. Click on Create New Secret Key. You can name it however you like, and then click on Create Secret Key. Copy that secret key and paste it here. Click on Save Key. Now you have completely and successfully enabled ChatGPT in Google Docs. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.